Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to lock Facebook profile or Facebook profile lock option not showing. So let's get started. Open the Facebook app and log into your account. Tap on profile icon and tap on three-line menu. Tap on setting and privacy. Tap on settings. Scroll down. Find audience and visibility. Tap on followers and public content. If you see option like publish friends, friends of friends or only me, select only me. If only me is not available, select friends of friends. Go back, tap on profile and tagging. Just select the same options again that you selected earlier. Go back, tap the three dots next to the edit profile button. Lock profile option not showing. Tap on turn off professional mode. Tap on continue. Tap on turn off. Tap on close. Refresh it. See here lock profile option. Tap on lock profile option. Tap on lock your profile. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.